Welcome to the OmniDental podcast. Okay, let's unpack this. Today we're diving into something, well, really fascinating and maybe a bit overlooked in dental health. We're not just talking about, filling a gap when you lose a tooth. We're actually exploring how dental implants can profoundly impact your facial structure. Your whole appearance, really. It's kind of like uncovering this hidden benefit that helps maintain a more youthful, confident look.
Exactly. And our insights today, they come straight from the team at OmniDental. They're based in Arlington Heights, Illinois, and known for their comprehensive care and really advanced implant work. They serve the whole area, too. Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect, Rolling Meadows, Schaumburg, Wheeling, Des Plaines, Elk Grove Village. Quite a few communities rely on their expertise.
Right. So our goal here in this deep dive is to really connect the dots for you. We want to understand that link between losing a tooth, what happens to your jawbone, and how solutions like dental implants offer a truly long-term answer. It's so much more than just being able to chew properly or having a nice smile. We want to show you how these implants are actually key to preserving, maybe even restoring, your natural facial contours. For us, looking into this, definitely uncovered some surprising connections, and hopefully it'll give you some new insights too. So let's start with maybe the most basic question. What really happens when you lose a tooth? I mean, beyond just the obvious gap you see, I think most people, myself included, we immediately think about the practical stuff, right? Like, can I eat okay? Or how's my smile going to look? I know. But there's this deeper biological thing going on, isn't there? Something that can change the actual shape of your face over time. A kind of chain reaction you might not even notice at first.
That's spot on. And what's truly remarkable and honestly often a surprise for people is that your jawbone isn't just static. It's not just there. It's living tissue, incredibly dynamic, and it actually needs stimulation to stay healthy. You can think of it almost like a muscle. If you don't use it, it starts to, waste away. So with a natural tooth, every time you chew, every bite, that force travels down the root into the jawbone, that constant subtle pressure. It's a signal to your body saying, hey, maintain this bone. It's important. But when that tooth is gone, the signal stops. Without that stimulation, the jawbone basically thinks, okay, I'm not needed here anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And so it starts this slow, quiet process of resorption. It deteriorates. It's not just about density loss. It's the bone actually shrinking away, changing the face's foundation. It's quite profound biologically.
Wow. It's almost unsettling to think our body can kind of forget a part of itself like that. So it's reshaping things from the inside out. Mm-hmm. Really makes you appreciate the teeth you have. And the visible results of that bone loss, that's often the most surprising part for people. We sometimes use an analogy like, think of your jawbone as the foundation of a house. If that foundation starts to erode or shrink, the structure built on top of the walls, everything, it's going to shift, right? Similar with the face. When the jawbone shrinks, you lose that vital support under your lips and cheeks. And this isn't just a tiny change. It can lead to that sunken or hollow look, especially around the mouth and jaw. Your lips might look thinner, the skin around your mouth can get deeper lines, it contributes to looking older, and it's not about your skin.
Exactly.
It's the underlying structure changing, sometimes called a collapsed facial profile, I think.
That's right, a collapsed profile. It's a direct result of that bone loss.
That really does put tooth loss in a completely different perspective. It's not just a space, it's the face's scaffolding.
Yeah.
So if that foundational shrinking is the core problem, what's the answer? How do dental implants specifically tackle this issue, going beyond just plugging the hole?
Right, and that's exactly where dental implants offer a unique solution. So what is an implant? It's basically a small post, usually made of titanium, which is incredibly strong and biocompatible. It's placed surgically right into the jawbone where the tooth root used to be. But here's the really transformative part, the science bit. It undergoes a process called osseointegration.
Osseointegration, okay.
Yeah, it literally means the implant fuses biologically with your living bone. Titanium is amazing for this. Your body doesn't reject it. It actually grows bone cells onto and around the implant surface. This creates this incredibly strong bond. The implant essentially becomes a functional part of your jaw.
Wow.
And this integrated post then acts just like a natural tooth root, providing that necessary stimulation.
And that is the game changer, isn't it? That fusion process. Because it's fused, the implant isn't just sitting there. It's an active part of your jaw. Right. So it stops further bone loss in that spot.
Correct.
And actually stimulates the bone, keeping it strong.
Yes. Precisely. It actively helps maintain bone density and strength.
Which is absolutely critical then for preventing that facial collapse, that sunken look we talked about. It rebuilds the support, maintains the natural shape of your face.
It restores that foundational strength from within.
That makes so much sense. It's not just replacing the tooth, it's reinforcing the foundation.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, that process is vital for keeping your jawline defined, for preventing that aged look that can happen. By rebuilding and maintaining that support under the cheeks and lips, implants help keep your natural facial fullness.
Okay.
So it really preserves those youthful contours. It's about the whole lower face, not just the tooth itself. It's a benefit people often don't realize until they experience it.
It really does sound revolutionary how it integrates like that. But okay, this leads to the obvious comparison. Lots of people think about traditional dentures or bridges first. They seem like easier options sometimes. How are implants fundamentally different from those when it comes to impacting facial structure? Because, they all fill the gap visually.
That's a really important question, and the distinction is critical. Dentures and bridges, yes, they replace the visible crown of the tooth, they restore chewing function to a degree, and they look like teeth. But here's the key limitation. They do not stop the underlying bone loss. A traditional denture just rests on the gums. A bridge is supported by the teeth next to the gap. Neither of them puts that necessary pressure, that stimulation, directly into the jawbone itself.
I see.
So what happens? Underneath that denture or bridge, the bone continues that slow resorption process. It keeps shrinking over time. This is why dentures often become loose after a while and need relining. It's because the bone underneath has changed shape. So even with replacement teeth, you can still end up with that sunken appearance eventually.
So it's like treating the symptom, the missing tooth, but not the underlying cause, which is the lack of bone stimulation.
You could say that, yes.
Okay, so this is where implants really stand out. Because they fuse, they do provide that stimulation.
Exactly. They halt the bone loss. They maintain the bone.
Which preserves the facial contours, provides that internal support. Something dentures and bridges just can't do.
Correct.
So implants are genuinely the closest thing to getting your natural tooth back. Function, feel, and supporting the jaw structure.
Absolutely. In terms of preserving bone and facial structure, they are considered the gold standard. They address the whole problem, visible and invisible.
Okay, that clarifies the why implants are so different. Now, let's talk longevity. If implants offer these huge benefits for your smile and face shape, how do you make sure they last? Is it a set it and forget it deal? Or does the care involved maybe differ from natural teeth?
That's a vital point. Implants are built to last, potentially a lifetime, but they are absolutely not set it and forget it. Think of them maybe like a high-performance car, amazing technology, but requires the right maintenance to keep running well for years.
Okay, good analogy.
So this means really diligent daily home care. Brushing, definitely flossing, sometimes with special floss or brushes to get around the implant crown effectively. And just as crucial, probably even more so, are regular professional checkups and cleanings.
Why more so, potentially?
Well, implants can't get cavities, which is great.
Right.
But the gum tissue and the bone around the implant are still vulnerable. They need meticulous care to prevent problems. The main concern is something called peri-implantitis. It's like gum disease, but around an implant.
Okay.
It's an inflammation that, if you don't catch it and treat it, can actually destroy the bone supporting the implant, potentially leading to implant failure.
Wow, so you have to protect the foundation it's fused into.
Exactly. It's about keeping the whole environment healthy, the gums, the bone, to ensure that implant stays stable and lasts.
So it really is a complete package then. With that commitment to proper care, you're maintaining not just a strong, natural-feeling smile, but you're also actively preserving that youthful facial structure we've been talking about. And that combination, I imagine, is a huge confidence booster. Knowing you have a solution that supports your health and appearance long-term, you can eat, talk, smile.
Yeah.
Just live your life without thinking about it.
That's absolutely the goal, confidence and quality of life.
Fantastic. Now, for anyone listening who's thinking this might be the right path for them, let's circle back to the expertise behind today's discussion, OmniDental. They really are focused on these advanced techniques, and it's led by Dr. Bielis Pols, DDS. You mentioned his experience over a decade in general, cosmetic restorative dentistry, but specifically specializing in implants, including complex cases like all-on-4 and full-arch restorations.
That's correct. His focus and experience in those advanced implant solutions are quite extensive.
That says a lot about their capability in this area.
It does. And OmniDental provides, the full range of services. It's all very patient-focused. They use advanced tech things like 3D imaging for planning, guided surgery for precision. It makes the process more predictable and comfortable for the patient.
That's reassuring.
Absolutely. They really tailor the treatment plan to each person's specific situation and goals. And as we said, they're right there in Arlington Heights, serving all those surrounding communities, Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect, and the others we listed, providing that high level of care locally.
Okay, so if someone listening has maybe noticed some of those facial changes we discussed, or they're just exploring options proactively for a stronger smile, a more youthful look, what's the best way forward? How should they connect with OmniDental to learn more?
The best first step is simply to reach out to OmniDental directly. Schedule a consultation. That's where you can really talk through your specific situation, ask all your questions, and see if implants are truly the right fit for you. The number to call is 847-483-8833. And, it's always better to explore options sooner rather than later, especially before significant bone loss might occur. Taking that proactive step can make a big difference down the road.
Good advice. Don't wait until the foundation has eroded further.
Exactly.
So what does this all mean? Wrapping things up, our deep dive today really shows that dental implants are about so much more than just filling a space. They represent a pretty holistic improvement, affecting your oral health, yes, but also preserving the actual structure, the aesthetics of your face. They actively help protect your bone, maintain that youthful appearance, and let you smile with genuine confidence again. It's a durable solution with benefits that go way beyond the surface.
It really is. And this raises an important question, I think, for everyone listening. What's the real long-term value you place on investing in your dental health? Not just for fixing immediate problems, but for your overall well-being, your confidence, your quality of life for years to come. Thinking about how choices like addressing tooth loss proactively can shape not just your smile, but your face and how you feel about yourself. It empowers you to make really informed decisions that pay off for decades.
That's a powerful thought to end on. Absolutely. Well, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the hidden structural benefits of dental implants. If you are interested in learning more about these advanced solutions, definitely connect with the experts we've been drawing from today at OmniDental. You can find them at 305E Rand Road, Arlington Heights, IL 60004. And that number again is 847-483-8833. Call them for more info or to set up a consultation. I would also encourage you to check out the OmniDental blog online. Lots more great tips and advice there on oral health and different treatments.